Welcome everybody to another Cruisin' with Corey. Here we are on Wednesday, June 12th. We are at Walmart today. It's, from what I've been told, a very slow day, and from what I felt, a very slow day. And we have also goofed as a 10% acceptance rating driver on DoorDash. We forgot to schedule ourselves today, so we are just gonna hope the map lights up. Instacart is dead, shipped, haven't heard from Uber, so if you watched yesterday, we did a whole lot of nothing, and it looks like that's going to be replicated today. So go Celtics, and we'll see if something happens. All right, so the good news is we got a $45 order. The bad news is it's 14 miles. And the also bad news is it's a lot of deli items. I'm just so I just don't know how to feel. I did this order last Saturday. I actually did a video about it. The lady's a sweetheart. She's super nice, but I just don't want to make a 28-mile round trip. But at the same time, I'm not going to get anything better, most likely. So I really don't have a choice. There's a ton of deli on this, so we're still going to shoot for 20 minutes on it. Might be a half-hour shop time with the deli. But either way, we're here. Let's go in. Let's get it done. Almost done. Just gonna go to the deli. I saved it for last. She rejected these buns. She wanted these slider rolls. I tried getting her slider burger bun, well, regular pretzel buns. They didn't have those. So we're gonna see if we can find something else. Alright, so we just got those slider rolls. Ironically, the bread guy just showed up while we were waiting, so now we are at the deli. We have a line. I hate deli orders, but not what we could do. So we're waiting at the deli, and then we'll see you in the car. Alright, we're on our way back to the car. We had to wait at the deli. We had to wait at the deli for probably 15 minutes. And then we got cart checked by the same person that gave us an issue the other day. It took like 5 minutes for her to do the cart check. So we were in the store for about probably a half hour. Now we got a half-hour drive and then a half-hour back. So this $45 is probably going to turn out to be like a $30 an hour run if you account for everything. Which, again, it's not bad, but I'm not excited about this at all. But on a day like today, you really just can't be picky. We just don't have the order flow to be picky today. So let's get loaded up and we'll be on our way. All right, we just dropped off that last order. Now we are 15 miles away from Walmart. We're in a completely different DoorDash zone that I really don't know that well, but I did just turn it on because maybe, just maybe, there's a chance that I'll get an order down here going back down home. If not, I got 15 miles of dead travel ahead of me. So yeah, I think I showed a few weeks ago or last week, but yeah, this is the north. This is kind of like the north, not the North Shore, but this is about 30 miles north of my house. You can see a nice little yacht club here. This is kind of a wealthy neighborhood, so a lot of money can be made out here. I just don't know where it is or how to get it. But yeah, we got everything on. Actually, let's check out Instacart. Anything on Instacart? Yeah, we got one order for Lowe's on the screen, and that went away. Now we have a $7 order going 3 miles for 4 items, which, I mean, it's probably super easy, but the problem is it looks like we are about, I'd estimate about 7 miles from that grocery store. So that's not doable, even though it's not great. So yeah, dead miles back to Walmart, folks. Let's go. Today's gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you.
See me rolling, they hating, controlling and trying to catch me riding dirty,
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
All right, so we just took this Uber, or this way, I don't know which side has more space, but whatever way, we just took an Uber, $42 going 21 miles, that sounds crazy. The thing is, it's literally going home. So I just made $45, this is $42. It's a weekday, so I don't usually make $90 on weekdays, so for me to make $90 right now and just basically be home by 12 o'clock and then I can do errands and clean the house, we're just gonna call it a day there. I know it's not very good for a content perspective, but like my goal usually is about $100 in these shifts between 9 and 2. On weekends I set higher standards. So if I can get that now, yeah, would I like to keep being out? Would I like this order to be 4 miles and stay in my area? Absolutely, but it's not. So we're just gonna make the most of this. There was actually a shopping order. Oh my God. I would love, there was just a shopping order, and I think I may have took a screenshot of it.
Why you always lying?
It was also going home too. My God, and it was only 2 items. So honestly, if that shopping order comes back up, we're gonna scoot it and we're gonna dirty stack this. But if it doesn't, so be it. But we're back at Walmart. Let's go get our order. All right, we just got loaded up. The associate did not like my Celtics shirt, so he's like, I'm gonna refuse you the order, but you know, I have good rapport with them. So we know exactly where we're going for both of these. Actually, that's a lie. It's Uber. So with Uber, you don't really know the full address. All you can do is speculate. I know the first one, and the second one is literally just one bag of, I don't know, just an outfit or something. So yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a short trip today, but it's gonna pay a decent amount to do so. And we might, for all we know, we might be able to get an Instacart down south. I have a Shaw's grocery store down my house. So maybe the Shaw's gods will help us out and it'll give us something down south, but here we go. All set. We had a huge staircase here, so it was pretty hard to record that, but nice house here. We're kind of on the water, beachside house, which is kind of nice. Now we have our next stop that takes us home. Let's go. Looks like it's gonna downpour. Look at those death clouds up there. Drop this off. Confirm. Let's get our number in there. Alright, so we're on our way. We'll just do this in one shot. So we'll just be one super long clip because I don't feel like separating it. So let's get back in here. And again, I live about a few minutes from here, so we're just going straight home right now. So thank everyone for tuning in. Like, share, comment, subscribe. We're growing this small, but we're growing it. I'm having fun. Hopefully tomorrow we can make some more money, do a little bit more diversification, but for today, basically 90 bucks in 2 hours, I'll take it. So thanks for tuning in. Corey out.